Have you ever walked into a place and suddenly felt like you've already lived that exact moment before? And the strangest part? Science still can't fully explain why these things happen. The human brain is a mystery we are only beginning to unlock. We've mapped distant galaxies, yet the 1.3 kilogram organ inside your head remains our final frontier. Today, we explore 7 things about you that science still can't explain. Mystery 1. Why do we dream? During REM sleep, your brain temporarily suppresses most muscle movement so you don't physically act out your dreams. It helps process emotions and memories, but the reason why remains debated. Your brain is actually more active during REM sleep than when you're awake. It helps process emotions, but the reason why we tell these stories remains debated. And what about lucid dreaming? Some people can actually take control of their dreams. How the brain bridges the gap between sleep and awareness is a mystery we're just starting to solve. 2. Consciousness. In simple terms, how does the brain combine separate signals, sounds, colors, and smells into one conscious experience? This is the binding problem. One theory suggests consciousness is just a tiny spotlight in a vast theater of subconscious processes. We know where it happens, but not how it creates the movie of your life. When you're under anesthesia, your consciousness is turned off. But where does you go during those hours? Science still doesn't have a definitive answer. 3. Déjà vu. Your memory system handles vast amounts of information every second. This is likely a familiarity misfire. Your brain mistakenly flags a new experience as an old one. Has this ever happened to you? There's also the opposite, jamais vu, where something completely familiar suddenly feels totally alien. It's as if your brain's recognition system just reset. Wait, did you know some nerve signals can travel up to 268 miles per hour, faster than a Formula One car? All that speed powered by roughly the energy of a small light bulb. 4. The placebo effect. How can a simple sugar pill actually heal the body just because you believe it will? Your brain can trigger its own pharmacy of chemicals. We know the brain releases endorphins and dopamine during the placebo response, but how a thought alone can change your physical biology is a profound mystery. 5. The second brain. Did you know your gut contains over 100 million neurons? This enteric nervous system communicates with your brain constantly. It's why you get gut feelings. 95% of your body's serotonin, the feel-good hormone, is found in your gut. We are just beginning to understand how much your digestive system controls your mood and decisions. 6. Why do we forget? Your brain filters out huge amounts of information to avoid overload. Every time you recall a memory, you're actually rewriting it. This is why memories can slowly change. But some people have HSAM, highly superior autobiographical memory. They remember every single day of their lives in detail. Why they can't forget, while most of us do, is still unknown. 7. Why does music move us? Music activates multiple brain regions linked to memory, movement, and reward. It triggers the same systems linked to survival and motivation. To your brain, a beautiful melody is a biological reward. For some, music has color. This is synesthesia, a cross-wiring of the senses. It proves that the reality you perceive is just one way the brain can interpret the world. With trillions of connections called synapses, your brain is a biological masterpiece. Every habit you repeat physically carves a new path in your mind. You are a work in progress, literally building your own future. The more we learn about the brain, the more we realize how much remains unexplored. There is a universe inside you. What will you discover next? One of the biggest mysteries is what happens while you sleep. That's exactly what we explore in our next video. Join us and keep learning. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult a professional for specific health or psychological concerns.